The Wayanad landslides, of course, the death toll continues to mount as far as Wayanad is concerned. The rescue operations have entered day 7. In fact, the entire area, the epicenter of the Wayanad landslides, has been divided into special zones to make sure that the rescue operations are facilitated. In fact, there you can see those very moving visuals of the mass burial at Wayanad of the unidentified bodies there. Take a look.
Today actually our forest party had conducted a search from the Kandambara side to the Parapampara side. Yesterday 18 persons who had come all the way from Nilambur, they got stranded in the Parapampara area and they could not go back. Today morning, along with the help of the NDRF, we conducted a search and we could locate them and they are very much safe. We could give them food and provisions, and the dead body which they had identified yesterday, that could be airlifted also.
देश भर में हम लोगों ने ट्री आउटसाइड फॉरेस्ट लगाने के लिए भी और डिग्रेडेड फॉरेस्ट के लिए भी एक पेड़ माँ के नाम अभियान चलाया है। मुझे लगता है इस तरह के अभियान हमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा चलाने चाहिए और कम से कम उन एरियाज़ में जहाँ मिट्टी का कटाव पेड़ों के कटने के कारण होता है वहाँ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पेड़ लगाने चाहिए। मैं वायनाड गया तो वहाँ के चर्च वगैरह के भी रिप्रेजेंटेशन आते रहे, तो मैंने उन्हें कहा कि भाई आप स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के साथ इस पे एक सही तरीके से हमें रिपोर्ट भिजवाइए। फिर बाद में मैंने फॉर्मर डीजी संजय कुमार जी के नेतृत्व में कमेटी का भी गठन किया। वो भी लगातार 1 साल तक जा रहे हैं, पर जो रिपोर्ट्स स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स को देने चाहिए, जो सबमिशन देने चाहिए, वो निश्चित रूप से वो देने में देरी कर रहे हैं।
No, the state government has already unanimously passed the resolution in the state legislative assembly that to extend the area or exempt the area, some area from the ecologically sensitive area. That is a unanimous resolution passed by the state legislative assembly. The government has to consider it. Now they have already declared 133 villages that was existence as per the Kasturi Rangan report. Our suggestion is, because the habitation of the people there and so many other issues were there, so it is after having an expert committee study, the state government has suggested to have an amendment to the ecologically sensitive area, so it has to be exempted some particular area.